that was going to happen. Look at this lipstick beauty. This belongs to the Amazing J. Comes from his collection. It's a late 80s BC Rich and J series. Beautiful lipstick red finish. Reminds me of candy apples and hot rods. It's got all these switches and knobs. Collar trem. You can't see it there, but those are EMG pickups. Rosewood fretboard. It's a neck through. Beautiful, beautiful guitar. Couple dings in all the right spots. So, it's in today. It's got some broken strings. One broken string. It's due for a change anyway. Last time I had this guitar about 1.5 years ago, I replaced all the hardware here on this collar trem. All these saddle screws. They were all oxidized and seized. So we did that, which they're still available. That's kind of neat. If you need those, just look up, collar saddle screws, and there's a site, I forget what it is. But, I'm going to clean up those. Also, I noticed this was spinning around, so we'll tighten that up. New strings. And the last time I had this, I did go through the fretboard, but I am noticing there's a nick right here. Can you see that? So, we'll smooth that out. And yeah, put some strings on it. Get it ready for the Christmas show. Wanted to start by cleaning out the pots and tightening up that switch. Battery in here too. Let's check that over here. What's it say? What's it say? It's good. Fading, but it's good. That's completely disconnected. I didn't know that. Must have been modded at some point to eliminate that. Well, I'm going to leave that as is then, but I am going to tighten it so it doesn't spin around like that. So the pots have been deoxed. I'm going to take the strings off now and start working through the fretboard. I recently had a viewer comment that I shouldn't cut the strings over top of the pickups, and I completely agree. I always do my best to keep filings and metal shavings away from pickups because they're magnetic, and I didn't even think that I could be having cast off from the strings, hitting the pickups, and that wouldn't be good either. So I'm going to make a concerted effort not to cut over top of the pickups. That's all fine. I'm just going to put a guard over that and try to smooth it out. That's a little better. Fretboard is perfect. I'm just going to oil it. Alright, let's clean it up and put some strings on it. Strings, I'm going to go with the Boomers 1046. So I remember I had a lot of trouble last time getting these through this lock up here, so hopefully I'll have some better luck this time. Maybe I could feed it through first. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it. Just want to test if I'm in the right spot. I'll lock it down. Yeah, that doesn't go anywhere. Nice. A locking trem, when I'm setting up strings, I like to bring these out about halfway. So you can go up or down, forward and backwards. So let's see, this should be able to hook in here. Go tight there. It's just finding that spot where it goes through. But it's actually easier for me now to be able to do this knot. Once that's in there tight, up at this end I'm going to wrap around once. And on the second time around I'm going to feed it through the hole. Tighten it up by hand there. Just bring it around. And these coils will tighten up from the bottom, ride their way up. Just make sure you're sitting on the right saddle. You should be good.
want you to get no.
Well, this thing is sounding great. Functions perfectly and shreds. This has been the Amazing J's late 80s BC Rich and J series ST shape. Looking pretty sharp here, and it's candy apple red, ain't it? Boy, that's a good looking guitar. So it would only take you a second to give me a thumbs up or subscribe for filming this for you. That would be so great. It would really help me. But I want to thank you for watching. So please, once again, like and subscribe so I can bring you more of these kind of guitars. Running out of guitars to bring you, but that's the good thing about being around a bunch of dudes who play guitars. They just keep buying more guitars. So there's always something coming down. So we'll talk again soon. Bye for now.